In this video, I'm going to show you how to center items in Tinkercad quickly and accurately using the Align tool. This is one of the most useful features in Tinkercad when you want your objects to line up perfectly in the middle, whether you're building a simple model, assembling a design, or just making sure everything looks clean and professional. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Tinkercad tips and software guides. All right, let's jump right in. First, open your Tinkercad design and make sure the items you want to center are already placed on the workplane. You can center 2 objects, 3 objects, or even a whole group of shapes, depending on what you're working on. The important thing is that the objects you want to align are all visible and ready to select. Next, select all the objects you want to align. You can do this by clicking and dragging a selection box around them, or by holding down Shift and clicking each object one by one. Once they're selected, you're ready to use the Align tool. Now you can either press the L key on your keyboard, which is the fast shortcut for Align, or you can click the Align icon in the top toolbar. The Align tool is what tells Tinkercad to show you the alignment points for the selected objects. As soon as you activate it, you'll see black dots appear around your objects. These dots are the key to centering everything correctly. The dots represent the different alignment positions along each axis, and the middle dots are the ones you want if you're trying to center the items relative to each other. If you want to center the items left to right, click the middle dot on the horizontal axis. If you want to center them front to back, click the middle dot on the vertical axis. And if you want to center them in multiple directions, you can use the middle dots on both grid axes as needed. Tinkercad will instantly move the objects so they line up in the center based on the points you selected. This makes it much easier to create balanced designs without having to drag things around manually and guess if they're in the right place. One helpful tip is to pay attention to whether you're centering objects relative to each other or relative to the workplane. In most cases, when you select multiple objects and use the middle alignment dots, Tinkercad centers them against the selected group, which is exactly what you want for neat and symmetrical layouts. If something doesn't look quite right, just undo and try selecting the proper middle dots again. Once you get used to it, centering items in Tinkercad becomes very fast. You can use this technique for text, shapes, parts of a model, and any design where alignment matters. It's one of those simple tools that saves a lot of time and makes your work look much more polished. So to quickly recap, select the objects, press L or click Align, wait for the black dots, and then click the middle dots on the grid axes to center everything. That's it. You've now learned how to center items in Tinkercad the easy way. If this video helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more beginner-friendly tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.